November is here, and we all know what that means. Christmas and New Year festivities are right around the corner. It's the most wonderful time of the year, am I right? And especially when it comes to 2020, oh boy, am I glad that's almost over. But when it comes to the holidays, we all also know that expenses are going to go through the ceiling. Hey, what's up, guys? You're watching Boss Your Money with Anthony. I love Christmas, and it's something I look forward to every single year. Today I went to the mall just to do a little bit of light Christmas shopping. When I stepped in the mall though, the lights, the decorations, the promotions and discounts on offer, it gets really tempting to spend that little bit extra. And that's exactly why I decided to make this video. It can get so out of control, it can get so enticing to just spend more, that it is so important to be in control and be on track with your budget. So if you watch this video till the end, I'm sure come January, you won't regret it. I'm sure this video is definitely going to help you out. So in return, all I ask from you is to turn that like button blue and subscribe to my channel down below. So not only does it help me, it will definitely help you out with my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first thing that you need to get through the holidays financially is a budget. Not just a regular budget, because I'm sure since you're watching my videos, you must have definitely checked out my other videos. I've talked a lot about how to create a budget, but we're not talking about a regular monthly budget here. We're talking about a holiday budget. You have to be very aware of how much exactly you need to be spending, how much you can actually afford to spend on your presents, gifts, decorations, lights, all those things. But you should also be well aware of how much you should be spending on groceries, because your grocery bill is definitely going to increase during these times. You have a lot of people coming over. You might decide to indulge a little bit more and get those fancier ingredients to cook. So all of your expenses are going to go up. So be mindful of what exactly you can afford to spend. If you don't create a holiday budget or don't stick to your holiday budget, January is going to be a tough month for you. So please do create a specific holiday budget so you can get through the holidays financially. The second thing that I would recommend to you is don't use your credit cards. It's all fun and games when you can spend money that you actually don't have. Credit cards allow you to do that. But when it comes to paying back the credit cards, we all know how difficult that's going to be. And especially with the ridiculously high interest rates that you have to pay on credit cards, please, I request you, don't spend with your credit cards. Trust me, you will definitely be happier spending a little bit less now than spending more now just for those few days of joy. But if you're very sure of yourself that you can stick to the budget and pay off your credit cards on time, then by all means use the credit cards and take advantage of their offers. The third thing that you need to keep in mind for the holidays is learn to say no. This is something that I have struggled with in the past. I've always done whatever anyone has asked me, so it has been difficult for me. But I know for a fact that I have learned to say no, and it's definitely helped me out with my finances. Maybe your children have asked you for a toy that you can't really afford. Maybe your spouse has asked you for a watch that's totally out of your budget. Or maybe you, out of the goodness of your own heart, want to get them something extra special. That's great and all. But remember, you can actually get them those things when you actually can afford it, when you have the money. Don't be taking a loan out or using your credit cards to spend that little bit extra. For right now, spend what's actually right for you. I'm sure they'll always be there for you and they will continue to love you even if you don't get them something expensive. And anyway, you shouldn't have to buy their love with materialistic things, right? It's the little things that make a difference. Even if you have a family dinner planned, don't splurge for the lobster and the caviar. A family dinner isn't about what you put on the table. It's about togetherness and it's about love. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not telling you not to spend. Holidays are all about spreading the love and joy. Just to spend within your means. I want you to continue to be happy even after the holidays and not regret your holiday spending. That's all. If you have any questions or if you'd like to add anything more, please let me know in the comment section. So to recap, have a specific holiday budget, don't overspend on your credit cards, and always learn to say no if you can't afford something. Again, I have only one request from you. please don't forget, turn the like button blue and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy holidays to you and your family. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.